Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a killer car. Very, very rare. 1986 Monte Carlo with 16,000 miles. Beautiful two-owner car. Fully documented too. We got everything on this car. Finished in dark maroon metallic. Completely stock. The original owner bought this car, checked every box. Got the undercoating with it, extended warranty plan, little cool key tags that go on your key, and if they're lost, you throw them in the mail and they come right back to you. You got every piece of documentation on this car too. And I love how it does not have T-tops. These are our next icons right here. The original ones. $16,769 miles. Beautiful. There's the light brand new. Favorite color too. Beautiful straight body. Always garage kept. Didn't you see the docks on this car? Interesting radio delete too. Give you a $54 credit for that. Neat. They put an old school Alpine in it. Beautiful, super straight body. The client even has the tag that goes on here from the original dealership that it was purchased in New Jersey. Tamkin. Man, if you're looking for a new Monte, you just found it. Windows, locks, remote mirror, tilt wheel, cruise. As nice as it gets. Man, look at the headliner. You know, these headliners always sag. This is fantastic. Visors too, they're always saggy. Whatever it is, the glue just lets loose on those. Man, just gorgeous. Look how crispy the gauges are. So freaking nice. Here's brand new. Look at this cigarette lighter. Never been used. As if it rolled off the factory floor. Perfect dash. Speaker crates are always broken. Whatever reason. Look at the tab right here for the belt. It's always broken. Original floor mats too. Look at that. Beautiful. Man, what a car. High school. Graduated in 90. Never would have thought these cars would be classics. This thing kind of needs to be a classic too. Original floor mats. Pristine. interior is so nice. I really like these seats. They're so comfortable. But one has the sparkle in it. So new. Spot of undercoating. Cool. Look at the tabs they use. Drill a hole and spray all inside the inners. And look at this documentation. Everything from the dealer. You name it, came with it. You bought these blades and never used it. There it is, Potemkin. Plainfield, New Jersey. That's where it was purchased new. Dealer brochures. Here's the auto seal and sound shield. That's the undercoating. GM protection plan, extended warranty. Here's the cool key tags I was telling you about. Haven't seen one of these in about 10 years. Is there an original window sticker? Pretty loaded. It's only missing T-tops, radio. Look at that, radio delete, $56 credit. It's close. Original loan documentation. This is what they give you. The salesman goes over at the dealership. It's basically to make sure that they hit every box and show you everything about the car. Everything. Cool. Letter from Potemkin congratulating you on the car. This is the original bill of sale. Sure. Yeah, original bill of sale. It's $500 deposit. Exactly how I used to do it back in the day. Crazy. $13,675. Year 10. And some local receipts, oil changes, Protecto plate. Man, that is so neat. It's cool how they graduated from metal to plastic. This is a little about the car, some other instructions, stuff like that. And look at this. These are the punch tabs that came with the car. You can bring this into the dealer and just get a key cut just by the code on here. The original stock key tag. Here it is. Carfax, perfect. 2 owner. And the original card. Original salesman. Man, you couldn't ask for more, honestly. Shows all the options on the window sticker. Who was it gets? Brand new battery in it too. Sure, it's ready to go. Man, all the correct GM poses and everything. Here, look at time capsule. What a pretty car. Oh my God. Stock marks in the factory too. Just don't see it like this. BF Goodrich Radial TAs. I bet you those are original too. Car really belongs in a museum. Well, guys, thanks for checking us out today. Again, my name is Mike from EB Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. This car is going to make someone very happy. Check out about 200 photos I took on my website, too. It's weebautos.com.